Good morning. This is Tobin at virtualstorefront.co with another google.com search engine versus virtualstorefront.co search engine comparison on finding products and services in your local area. We are comparing how Google does that and how virtualstorefront.co does that. So today, I am going to search for a fashion label, a brand called Sunshine and Rodeos, because I am a huge fan of Sunshine and Rodeos clothing. So here are my Google results, and it says Sunshine and Rodeos is available on Amazon. So Amazon obviously has a ton of inventory than your fashion wholesale. So these are scaled e-commerce solutions that have SEO optimized and are highly capitalized. Here's a seller on Etsy that's obviously not local. More online shopping options. Poshmark, I assume that is also an optimized t-shirt forums. These are all e-commerce, national or international chains. So if I am looking, I'm currently pinned in Andrews for Google. Google knows that I am in Andrews, North Carolina, and I'm searching for this, and normally there'd be a local business listing here, but there are no local businesses that have this label that I absolutely love because I'm such a big fashion fan of Sunshine and Rodeos. Well, use your imagination. Obviously, I actually think they have cool stuff, but I'm not a woman looking to buy Sunshine and Rodeos, which I think is their primary demographic. Use your imagination, as this is a demo. So now we're going to switch over to the virtualstorefront.co search engine, and since we're channeling kind of a fashion-conscious person, we're going to change our location from Andrews to Atlanta, where Virtual Storefronts is headquartered. So we're going to pin our location to Atlanta, do a quick refresh, and now we see that the results inside the search engine are configured to show what's closest to Atlanta. Now we're going to search for Sunshine and Rodeos because that is what we are looking for. Boom, there's a search. I see 147 miles away in Murphy, North Carolina at Glitz and Glamour. I can get Sunshine and Rodeos. The problem here is that there's no local business to me in Atlanta, Georgia, that has Sunshine and Rodeos brand. So the reason I'm doing this demo is to demonstrate that it makes sense for the local businesses in Atlanta, Georgia right now to get onto the local search engine and add Sunshine and Rodeos as a tag, because nowhere is a local business going to show up here as a Google result, which is usually in this area, Google My Business. In Atlanta or anywhere else, local businesses are not going to show up on Google. But if, let's say, I had a boutique in downtown Atlanta or in a mall around Atlanta that's locally owned, it would be a #1 search result for the entire Atlanta area, everyone searching for Sunshine and Rodeos brand. So that's kind of the power of this platform. Like right now, this search term can be claimed by anyone in Atlanta. So that's a powerful position to be in because this is the search engine that gives you're the #1 result for the business that's on the platform that's closest to you, and currently that is Glitz and Glamour. And the reason just to follow up, explain how we got here, this is the keyword cloud here, which includes Sunshine and Rodeos. It's in here somewhere. There it is, Sunshine and Rodeos right there. And that's how we got here, but when we go to this profile, we can see all this cool stuff that they have at this store and kind of get an idea of how this boutique works. So that is the Glitz and Glamour boutique in Murphy, and also just for people who are searching for Sunshine and Rodeos in Atlanta, there's a huge open book for all of these search terms in that area. We're ready for you here at virtualstorefront.co. Any business can sign up right now. If you're local, it's at Virtual Storefronts, plural.co. And it's $99 per year for early enrollment right now. So that's $825 a month for an incredible position for whoever wants to sell Sunshine and Rodeos in the Atlanta area. And we're going to finish up here with a picture of Jody holding the Sunshine and Rodeos picture, the Sunshine and Rodeos shirt at Glitz and Glamour here in Murphy. Okay, that is virtualstorefront.co, the local search engine, and this is our fashion moment. This is our fashion, I don't know, segment. Maybe there'll be more. Thanks for watching. This is Tobin at virtualstorefront.co.